Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the phone and scene. Clean the lens and attach any macro adapter so nothing degrades sharpness. Next, mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface and use a remote or timer to avoid shake. Once done, open the camera app, select macro or manual focus, lower ISO to reduce noise, and lock exposure. This first setup fixes the biggest variables and lets you move in close with control. You now tackle the precise work. Lock focus manually or tap on the subject, and tiny adjust by shifting the phone a millimeter at a time until the detail snaps sharp. Make sure lighting is even and diffused. Add an LED panel or ring light and use reflectors to fill shadows. Once you have light and focus, take bursts or multiple exposures for focus stacking. This gives you margin for error and produces a final frame with deeper micro detail. You finish by inspecting images at full size and selecting the crispest frames. Crop to improve composition but keep resolution. Then perform targeted post-processing. Reduce noise, selectively sharpen only the subject, and tweak contrast and color balance so tiny textures pop. If things go wrong and images are soft or noisy, increase light intensity, shorten shutter motion risk with a remote trigger, repeat the capture with slight position shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.